How to clear cache in Telegram to save space on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to clear cache in Telegram to save space on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Telegram app on a device. Make sure you sign in to your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top left corner. And from this menu, tap on Settings option. Select Data and Storage option under Settings. Now navigate to Storage Uses under Disk and Network Storage. Here you can see Total Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and tap on Clear Cache again to confirm. So this way you can easily clear cache in Telegram to save space on Android. Alternatively, you can even long press on app icon and tap on I button. And this will lead you to the app info page of Telegram. Now tap on Storage Uses and tap on Clear Cache. So by following these two steps, you can easily hide or clear cache in Telegram to save space on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.